Hello guys, I'm the technical engineer from ZW3D. Now I will introduce Direct Edit modular of ZW3D to you. So first, thanks for your participation. In terms of Direct Edit, we will talk through 6 subtopics. First, Introduction. Second, Feature Simplify. Third, Face Offset. Fourth, Feature Position Modification. 5. Change feature size. 6. Face replacement. 7. Reuse feature. Okay, let's go in details of these subtopics one by one. So first, introduction. There are a group of tools to do the direct edit. With these specified tools, user could directly simplify and offset face feature, modify the feature size and the location, and so on. Pay attention. To the direct edit tools, you can not only call out from the menu or ribbon, but also from the mouse right-click, as shown in the picture below. Okay, now let's talk about first direct edit tool, Feature Simplify, one of the most frequently used. As shown in the picture below, with Simplify function, radius and faces need to be simplified can be directly deleted. At the same time, ZW3D will close the related face or feature. Pay attention. User can hold the Shift key to do the quick select when the faces need to be simplified continuously. Alright, let's talk about another frequently used function, DE face offset. With this function, the selected face can be offset along its normal direction directly. In terms of the settings, user could select whether creating the side faces and removing the intersections. Besides, 3 types of face overflow control methods are provided, as shown in the table below. Green face is the one need to be simplified, with the option Extend Change Face. Affected faces will follow the green face to offset. With the option Extend Stationary Face, the green face will be constrained by the stationary faces when offsetting. With the option Extend Cap Face, the green face will be offset separately. Okay, now let's talk about the feature position modification, which includes 3 functions. First, DE Move. With this function, feature which include a selected face will follow to move, as shown in the left picture below. Totally, there are 6 moving types. Second, Align Move Face. With this function, you can move face through constraints, as shown in the middle picture below. 7 constraints types are provided. Third, Dimensional Move Face. Similar with the second way, with this function, you can move face through the dimension constraint. Both linear and angular types are provided. As you can see, it's easy to move a single face. However, how to move the multiple faces at the same time? The method is go to the options. Put the extra faces into the motion group. Then these faces will follow the moving face to move, as shown in the picture below. Alright, after feature position modification, what's the next topic should be? Of course, it should be the feature size modification. In ZW3D, the fillet and the radius are supported to modify directly, as shown in the picture. With the modify fillets function, connected faces will follow to update. However, with the modify radius function, only change or offset selected cylindrical surface. Okay, another useful tool, face replacement. As shown in the picture below, the base referred to the face need to be replaced. After select the replace face and apply, then the replacement will be done. Pay attention, user could select multiple faces which need to be replaced. However, replace face only could select one. As you can see, to the above replacement, the face is replaced without the offset. However, this tool also allows user to do the replacement with offset. As shown in the picture below, replaced face will be offset when the replacement is done. Note, the offset datum plane is a face which has already been replaced. Alright, last, reuse feature. As shown in the picture, in ZW3D, user could directly copy, mirror, and pattern the features. Okay, now let's take a check on software. First, let's import a model, a Parasolid format model, this one, with the default setting. As we know, there is no modeling history for external data, so we cannot redefine the feature. However, we can edit them with the specified tools. As you can see, under the Direct Edit tab, there are many tools to do the direct edit. For example, we want to delete this round feature. We can right-click, simplify, apply. Then the round feature is deleted or simplified. If we want to move a specified face, for example, this face, we want to move, we can use the D move to move it very free. Also, we can use the align move face. For example, we want to align this cylindrical face to this flat face. We can use the tangent constraint. So we select the motion face, and this is the stationary. Then, as you can see, this surface moved to this flat surface. Apply. Go back. We also can use the dimensional move face. We want this face move, and this is a stationary face. And we input the distance. Apply. As you can see, this cylindrical surface is moved by the dimension. Also, we can, for example, we want to replace this face with this cylindrical surface. So we use the replace. We select this flat surface, and then we select replace surface, apply. As you can see, the flat surface are replaced. Also, we can use modify fillets or modify radius to modify this radius feature. Also, we can use D-copy or D-measure or D-pattern to pattern the features like these holes and other features. Okay, that's all the stuffs of the direct edit. Thanks for your watching. If you have any questions, please send them to ZW3D at ZWSOFT.com. Okay, bye. See you in the next training module.